It's day off and it's family day. It's quality time with my wife.
Kape po.
Yan ang sekreto namin kung medyo
Naubo na po.
yang looking.
Ay! No, ikaw lang yata. Thank you, love. May ubo po. Salamat po sa pa-payday.
Kaka morning walk lang namin 5 kilometers. Weekly, we do 5 kilometers walk to maintain our healthy body.
Kape po.
Sige, sige. Una ka. Pag may gusto ka, order ka lang. It's payday.
Aww.